Welcome back to Dance's English Grammar. Today we are going to learn about present perfect tense. Now, let's look into the usage. An action or a situation that began sometime in the past and which continues into the present time. So then you use this present perfect tense. Let's say at 9 o'clock it's raining at home. And it is continuously raining till 5 in the evening. So, what is the sentence that you will be framing? It has rained for 8 hours continuously. The second usage is when you're talking about our experience or your experience to the present. So, I have played the piano ever since I was a kid. The third usage is when you use the adverb ever to talk about experience up to the present, then you will frame a sentence like this. This dinner is the worst I have ever had. That is the construction. Fourth, use never for the negative form. Example, I have never met his grandmother. So this is the construction, sentence construction. The fifth usage is you can use present perfect tense for something that happened in the past but is important in the present. Example, I can get into the house. I have brought the keys. So for something that happened in the past but is important in the present, you take the key and go, and when you make use of it, you say this. Next usage is to say that an action which we expected has not happened. That is, we are still waiting for the action to happen. Something like, Jessie has not finished her homework yet. So, few things that you need to remember. Let's call it as a recap. First of all, you need to know the form. The sentence structure will be subject followed by has or have plus the verb and one of these endings, either ed or den or en. This together you call it as a past participle. So let's look into the usage. When I say experience, you can frame a sentence saying, I have never been to France. Or if it's going to be an uncompleted action, which you're going to, incomplete action which you are talking about. So then the answer will be, they haven't yet arrived. The next one is time expressions. So when you're talking about how many times, when, then you use this. I have watched 3 films by the same director in the last month. The next one is the structure of a sentence when you are using always, never, only, still, just, etc. So the structure will be subject followed by the auxiliary verb, and that will be followed by one of these verbs, always, never, only, still, just, and then the past participle. The sentence example which I've given here is, I have just seen Daniel. The next usage is change over time. So you can frame a sentence saying, you have changed a lot since I saw you last. And the last comes the achievements. Example, India has won the match. I hope I made myself clear. Thanks for watching. Thank you.